back to another episode of Rosengold. This month is Dr. Ross and I's birthday month, so we're celebrating in style. This is our birthday cake, and my wish is tycoon status, which I've already achieved. I got some of Kanye West's shoes this year. Yeezy! We'll keep you guys posted. But we're gonna get into this birthday celebration.
No cap!
Happy birthday to all of the Libras in the beginning of October and the ends. And for Kim, that's for you. But let's get straight into these hot topics.
That's right, starting it off with our first hot topic, Chrissy Teigen and John Legend are having another pregnancy joy after heartbreak. What are your thoughts on this, IK?
This is a thumbs down. First, they should stop having so many kids, and maybe it's not right if the last one ended in tragedy. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Let's get into our next one, Jennifer Garner, on why she gives back. She said, "I was raised as a member of the community, not as just myself and my family. It's one of the luckiest things about my life." What do you think about this, IK?
It really is. I always love to hear people giving back to the community and helping out in any way they can.
Exactly.
So thumbs up. Keep on doing you.
IK and I also give back to the community on a daily basis. We are a part of the Waco Police Academy, and we volunteer our time back. But Jennifer Gardner, if you are giving back to the community, break some bread. IK and I are still working on, we're finishing up the film on the Personals XYZ. But don't worry, Jennifer Garner, if you want to be cutting a slice of the cake for one of our future movies, get involved now.
Let's get into our next and final hot topic with Kanye West. So Kanye West has a new girlfriend, and Dr. Ross?
Allegedly.
This is alleged, but she actually looks really nice. This may be the Venetra he was talking about on Instagram, but you never know.
Exactly.
And Kanye also had rain boots on with the 2023 cap. He was saying that he's going to be running in 2023, but allegedly. But that's not the date, Kanye. The date is 2024. But
Kanye,
still.
after the stunt you pulled where you were screaming in, I don't know whose auditorium that you were in, screaming about killing your kids, I don't think they're going to let you run for presidency. Also, you have to be voted for this thing. You have to go through all the states. You can't just... Anyways, there's a reason that Kim didn't vote for you.
That's why he should be mayor of Kanye's town.
That's right.
But this is a thumbs down. These were all of our hot topics, and we're going to get into the birthday celebration, but make sure to stay tuned for the Personals XYZ and all of our upcoming content on our Instagram and YouTube channels, both in the link in the description below.
That's right.
But make sure to like, follow, comment, and we'll see you on the next episode. That's for you, Kylie Jenner.
Kim, get the cake!